The CDC COVID tracker map puts nearly all of our state in the red zone with a high level of community spread. So could we be on the brink of new restrictions to stop it?
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner is live at a new drive-through vaccination site in Macomb County where the state health director talked about what we can expect. Jim?
Carolyn and Dave, I also talked with her about capacity at Tigers games. Opening day is tomorrow. More on that in a minute. She says they're watching these surges, especially at hospitals, and hospitals are what could cause new restrictions for all of us.
We know that hospitalizations are increasing, but the number of individuals who are receiving critical care is lower than it had been previously, and people seem to be moving through the hospitals more quickly.
So she's saying for now they don't plan to issue new restrictions. When she was pressed, she gave a limited answer, repeating only talking points.
Again, we loosened our restrictions on March 5th. We continue to watch and get these vaccines in arms, and we will continue to see where we got. Thank you. I do have to go. I have another event.
She was in town to see Macomb County's third drive-through vaccination site. The Detroit Tigers opening day is tomorrow, the first in 2 years. The Whitmer administration had earlier said only 1,000 fans could be inside. Then they increased it to 8,000 fans, 20% capacity of the stadium. We asked why that number.
We need to remember that people are coming in and leaving, not just sitting in their place when they get there. And so being conscientious about how that works and how that crowd control occurs so that people can maintain distance.
But get this, right down the street from the ballpark are 3 casinos that are allowed to have more than double that percentage, 50% capacity, indoors, which the administration concedes is not as safe.
We know that outdoor spaces are less risky. I think we'll see how opening day goes tomorrow, and we continue to learn best practices as we move forward. So thank you.
She was done answering, handed over the mic. She left the door open to the number of fans inside the stands to being increased. When? Secretary, just a quick question. You indicated you might review the Tigers. Can you give us a timetable when? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I'm always reviewing every day.
There you have it, time to go. Now, the Tigers told us last week they are not being critical of the Whitmer administration, but they hinted they could handle more fans in the stands safely outdoors. Reporting live in Macomb County, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Way to press for answers as always, Jim. Thank you so much.
And certainly other major league clubs have more in terms of capacity for their opening day, so we'll see.